In this lesson, we're going to look at factoring polynomials. We're really just going to focus mainly on quadratics. And there's kind of some steps as to what to look for. So the very first step that I like to look for is what we call a greatest common factor. Is there something that I can take out between all the terms, like a highest number or a variable or both, between all the terms? After that, I'm going to look at some special cases, which I call a perfect square trinomial, or a difference of two squares. And then if neither one of those options work, I'm off to a general trinomial where a is equal to 1 or a does not equal to 1. So let's start simple by looking at greatest common factors. We're going to look at factoring these scenarios. If I look at the top one here, 4a squared plus 8a, I notice that 4 is the biggest number that goes into both 4 and 8. And I see in the first term there's 2 a's and there's 1 a in the second term, so I'm going to take out 1a. So that's the highest number that I can take out. If I take out a 4, it's like 4 divided by 4, which is 1. And then if I take out 1a, I'm left with 1a. Plus 8 divided by 4 is now 2, and I took out a, so I'm left with just a value of 2. This would be the factorization if I took out the greatest common factor. You can redistribute 4a back in, and it should get you back up to what we started with. Let's try another one. Let's look at number 1 down here. 12x squared plus 4x. I see that the highest value I can take out is a 4, and the most, in terms of variables that I can take out, is just an x. So if I take out a 4x, I'm going to be left with 3x plus 4x divided by 4x is just 1. So this would be the factorization. You can't call it 0, because if I would redistribute, and there was a 0 instead of 1, it would be 4x times 0, which is just 0, and that doesn't work. Last one. We're going to look at 8ab squared minus 12ab. So the highest value that I see between 8 and 12 is going to be a 4. I see 1a and 1a in each, so I'm going to take out an a. I see 2 b's here and 1 b here, so the highest amount of b's I can take is just a b. 8 divided by 4 is 2. I took out the a, and I took out 1 b. I'm left with another b. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. I took out the a, and I took out the b. So there are a few examples of how to factor out a greatest common factor.